Kaganun Menteri Kejela Meghalaya kejingelang kebelalong hak arpinyau terik ujemang arhajar arpun rio. Kelarai banuanra ke skim one time settlement nagbenta ban ma bat Pynduna ya ka Kuna kebedai bat kali Kamai kumbalong ka motor vehicle tax passenger and goods tax bat ka fitness fee. Menteri rangba ula pensyai badan bun kitrai kali beginongnya ke beklamla ban pentamai kikot kisla lakumba arpos nam tam namar kidau bopher. Kum ki kendon ke Sorkar pedeng kebaik Khajna ki long ki barit ki Kuna pat ki he abha kebaik fitness certificate kalong syajar arspa tengka sisnem penban ke Kuna pat kalong sanpo tengka sisngi kebab penelong yaka bakan he hado khat pra hajar tengka sisnem peladeken la arpo snem ke Kuna kelapoi kumbalai lak tengka kawai ketrok kum gejeken ke Sorkar ke Kuna baro ke badan haki kali kamaya ke jela halor ke fitness certificate kelepelang hado kendai spa klur tengka ke MV tax pat arpui klur tengka bat ke goods and passengers tax kumbasan klur tengka namar babaro kini kinongnya bagi terai kali kidi nok sok shnong ki baduk ke BMjar ke nekakam ke Sorkar kelarai ban map aduk kendai po nak sispa ya ke Kuna fitness certificate bat prapo nak sispa ya ke Kuna MV tax bat passengers and goods tax lengba kania ka one time settlement kanang menirap ya ki local transporter ban pelat yaki na kejengkia karam Khajna.
Especially when it comes to the penalties on no fitness certificate. The amount, if we were to calculate for all the trucks and vehicles, the amount would come up just with the penalties alone at about 900 crores. This is just a ballpark figure we have. And similarly, if you look at the figures for MV tax, it's about 21 crores. And if you look at the figures for 21 crores, and for the goods and passengers is about 5 crores. And as I said, if you look at the figures for the penalty, it's about 900 crores. So we realize that we need to ensure that a rational number comes out to allow these particular trucks and drivers and truck owners and commercial vehicles to actually sustain themselves, but at the same time also ensure that in the future all these commercial vehicles and truck owners are regular in their payments. And so keeping both these objectives in mind, and also keeping in mind that almost you can say 100% of these truck owners, drivers are all local people. They are all our own citizens. And therefore, if you're not able to find a solution to this, it will lead to a huge loss in terms of livelihood and financial stress for our own people. And a lot of them are poor people who have been using their vehicles for many years. And hence, we kept all of these factors in mind, and we came to a decision today that since the penalty figures which we saw, we felt were very high and they are notional numbers. And as I said, they've been just collecting for the last 20 years. We have decided in the cabinet that we will be exempting, as a one-time settlement, we'll be exempting 90% for the penalty for no fitness certificate. 90% will be exempted there. And for the MV tax and the goods and passengers tax, we will be exempting 80% from this in the one-time settlement, which will allow the different drivers and different commercial vehicle owners at least the space to then be able to come back to normalcy, and will not put financial stress and burden on them. And we will be able to then regularize and monitor the future registrations and future fitness certificates in a proper manner. So this is a huge one-time settlement that we're doing for our transporters, keeping in mind that these are our people, our local people, and this kind of a stress would definitely lead to complete loss of livelihood, and in a way a complete halt to the overall transportation system within the state, as I said, especially keeping in mind our local people being involved in it.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pitharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni. ba ka hospital te kala jingai nang ni.
Pinti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu. Wat kuslaitan.
Sister, hapsiu kat no ma.
Ka Sorkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka bakordor.